This is a presentation of the metal recycling process with the newest YAG laser welding machine from Vision in Germany. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. By focusing laser light with the help of a special lens, high energy levels equivalent to the heat of the sun can be attained. YAG laser welding takes full advantage of the merits of this technology and maximizes its utility. Its most important benefits are that it does not transform, distort, oxidize, or shrink worked materials, and thus provides superlative processing. Laser technology can thereby facilitate many types of processing on a variety of metals, including welding, cladding, drilling, etc.